Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miral Soni and I hope you all are doing good. As you saw my title, I am creating this look for Diwali, but you can create this look for any festival. And this is my first video, so please do support and subscribe my channel.
So let's get started.
I just washed my face and I am applying this moisturizer from Urban Botanics. This is for oily skin and it fits me so well, so I am applying it now. So the next step is primer, and I am using this one from the one which is from Oriflame. It is pore minimizing primer and it fits my makeup so well. So I am applying this now. Okay, so the next is foundation, and I am using this foundation from Nuda Beauty. I am using this for the first time because I usually use the Giordani one from the Oriflame, but I am trying this for the first time. And I will mix it with this Peach Perfector, which gives me the shimmery look. It is from the one which is from Oriflame. Okay, so I will mix them both and apply. So for blending this foundation, I am using this beauty blender and will dab. Okay, so I applied my foundation, and to set my foundation I will use this compact from Lakme. This is 925 compact and I will just dab it on my. So the next step is eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I am picking these two colors because these two colors will match my outfit. So for the inner eyelid I will start with this yellow color, whatever you said, eyeshadow. Combination yellow and orange, and this side I have done yellow and blending orange with the yellow. Both the eyes are done. You can see the makeup. This is my first time for the two colors blending, and which came out very well. So I am done with my eyeshadow, and now I am applying eyeliner, which is the biggest part for me because I can't even my eyeliners. So let's see how it comes out. This is from local store, so I am not telling the name. And with a lot of hard work, finally my eyeliner is not even, but still you can see. Okay, so here is my favorite part, mascara. This mascara is from Blue Heaven, and this is Chotu Si powder which I use. And now voluming my eyelashes. Okay, so I have done my mascara and I will do my eyebrows with this same, but for that first I will use this eyebrow pencil and then I will. Okay, so the last part is this lipstick. This is from Nykaa. Let's get started. Okay, so lipstick part is done. You will see this lipstick very highlighted, but it is not. It is because of ring light. Makeup is done. So I will do my hair and then change my outfit. So now I am done with my outfit and my hairs. and I will show my whole outfit at the end. For now, see my hairstyle. Just I straighten my hair from the front, and the rest are the same as natural. And now I will show you my jewelry. The first is my necklace. This is so simple, but it looks very legend on my face. So I am wearing this. Okay, so this is necklace. It looks very legend. The next part is these earrings. These are as of my necklace. You can see more. I'm wearing this now. Okay, so these are my earrings. Okay, so I am all done with my makeup, hair, and jewelry, and my whole outfit. Okay. So guys, this was my look for Diwali, and if you like this look, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you more like this look, then please comment. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Hey guys. So guys, this was my look for Diwali. You can create where is sponge? Thank you. Volume.